How to find free Shopify themes. Finding free Shopify themes lets you customize your store's look without spending extra money. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done. First things first, you're going to go ahead and log into your Shopify, and as you can see, this is my store's name, the unnamed store. Now from this point forward, go ahead and click online store down here, and you should see an option here that says themes. Now go ahead and click that one if you haven't. Now I'm going to go ahead and see how my store looks as of the moment. Alright, there you go. That's how it looks. It's very terrible, right? Now we're going to go ahead and change this one. Now go back here. We're going to go ahead and scroll down, and as you can see, here are the popular free themes. So you can go ahead and basically use all of them or any of these. So my choice is going to be this one here, refresh. Now I'm going to go ahead and click add. And as you can see, it is now installing the theme. Alright, there you go. As you can see, it has been added. Now all that's left for us is to publish it or customize it. If you want to customize it, just go ahead and click this here. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and publish this one. Alright, as you can see, this is the current theme that I am now using instead of the Dawn, the one that I used earlier. Now, here is my store again. We're just going to go ahead and refresh this one. Alright, there you go. As you can see, it has changed now, right? Now again, go back here and click customize. Alright, this one here, if you want to do so, just go ahead and click this one here, and then you will have some options on what to do in here. And yep, that's how you're going to do it. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to find free Shopify themes. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.